A law must be enacted, a body, at the state level for the recruitment of teachers for the university and college teachers, aided college teachers recruitment board, or state university teachers recruitment board, or TRB higher education, exclusive for the teachers.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you,
It would be
Professor.
the way to circumvent the correction.
Thank you.
One more thing, 7.5 reservation for government school and students must be extended to arts and science, agriculture and animal husbandry. Okay. Single window system must be implemented for admissions. These are the points I want to mention. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor. Short response. Yeah. Short response. Yeah. You want to give a response? Short response?
No, I think he just put his points.
Dr. Manoharan.
Can we also ask the students to speak? Huh? Oh, there are no students here. Okay.
Dr. Manoharan. I hear you. Dr. Manoharan, yeah. Please be brief, please. Quickly, Mike. Please, Mike. Quickly. Manoharan sir, please, 1 minute. Just please cooperate because many want to ask.
Check. Rahulji, very good morning. How to educate young minds to remove religion from the political discourse?
Excellent question, please. Thank you.
I don't think that you necessarily want to remove religion from the discourse. What you do want is all religions to be able to be part of the discourse. And you want a fair playing field.
Yes.
Right? I don't think if somebody has a religious idea, if somebody believes in a religious idea, I don't think you should say to him, listen, you cannot speak about that. As long as all ideas are competing properly, without hatred, without anger, I don't see a problem with a conversation taking place. Where I see a problem is where you tell somebody you cannot open your mouth because you're from a certain religion. Or you cannot express your idea because you're from a certain religion. That's where I see the problem. But a healthy democracy should be confident enough to speak about anything.
Yes.
It should not be that we don't have the courage to speak any truth. So that is my problem. My problem is that the government of India doesn't want to speak, allow people to speak. Let me give you an example. The government of India says that they represent Hinduism. A lot of the ideas that they espouse have nothing to do with Hinduism. Nowhere in Hinduism does it say insult people, kill people, beat people. There is nowhere in Hinduism where it is said that you have to do this. But they do it. So, if you want to have a discussion on the true principles of a religion, they are very simple. All of them say the same thing. Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, they say the same thing. Treat the other person with respect. Treat the other person with love. Treat the other person with affection. I have never seen a religion that says, hate the other person, kill the other person. So that is the basic structure. Look, at the end, Professor said the right thing. The whole game is to steal. That is the game that is being played. And the idea is, do whatever you have to do to take the money of the people of India. You look at the farm laws, essentially the idea is, take what belongs to the farmers, take what belongs to the laborers, take what belongs to the small business, give them to the biggest businesses in the country. So that is what the real issue is.
Thank you. You are standing on behalf of all of us.
நியூஸ் 7 தமிழ் தொலைக்காட்சியை டாக் டிவி, SCB, TCCL, VK டிஜிட்டல், ஆதார், ஜாக் டிவி, அக்ஷயா டிஜிட்டல் ஆகிய கேபிள் கனெக்ஷன்களிலும், ஏர்டெல், டாடா ஸ்கை, சன் டைரக்ட் ஆகிய DTHகள் உட்பட அனைத்து முன்னணி கேபிள் கனெக்ஷன்களிலும் காணலாம்.